I'll show you one of the most dangerous charts in crypto right now. Nobody's spotted it yet, but I'm going to show you this, right? Check it out. Right, we've all seen this before, but do we realize this danger has come back now? This is the gold versus Bitcoin chart, right? They seem to move in kind of the opposite direction. I know it's counterintuitive. When gold tops, that's when Bitcoin has a run, right? When, say, gold has a run, then Bitcoin pulls back. Gold has a run here. This is all happened in the last 18 months. Bitcoin pulls back. Gold has a run here, and Bitcoin is still pulling back as we speak, right? But what's happened to the gold chart? Have a look at this. Have a look at what's happening with the gold chart. Well, of course, Bitcoin in a little bit of trouble here because gold is back up again, right? And what's also scary, look, I still think we're doing an A, B, C pullback, right? I could be wrong. And then what could happen is basically, then what if gold just, that's the pullback. What if that is the pullback and gold does something like this and then pop? But what's even more scary is this. Look at the silver chart. The silver chart is touching all-time highs again, right? And what's I know I just compared gold to Bitcoin, but what is actually scary here is I mean, there's a relationship with gold to Bitcoin, but what's actually scary here is actually silver as well. Silver is basically same size as Bitcoin. Gold is much bigger. Gold is like 10x bigger. 11x bigger. Silver is about the same size. So basically silver, they're both around 2 trillion, give or take, right? So therefore, a lot of people see silver as kind of a replacement for Bitcoin from a speculative point of view, not from a fundamental analysis point of view. I'm not saying silver is a store of value. I am saying silver is more like a industrial metal, so which means it tanks during a recession. You probably say Bitcoin could do that as well. Silver hasn't earned its role back yet as a monetary metal, not quite as much, or a precious metal, right? Bitcoin is sort of seen by a lot of people, not everybody, but a lot of people, as to have that role as a hedge against fiat debasement. But right now, silver, a lot of people, I'm seeing comments from a few people, and that means other people are thinking about this as well, that if Bitcoin stalls here, or if Bitcoin goes into a bear market, then basically silver can take off, and silver is the trade of a lifetime, people are saying, right? So if they're both around, I'm not saying I agree with that. I am not saying I agree with that. We're going to analyze what happens to Bitcoin today, and also look at the stablecoin dominance with USDT, USDC. Are they going up or going down, right? Because that influences where Bitcoin's headed as well. So with silver, basically, see, Bitcoin in this entire bull run has only done about a 7x, right? And people, yeah, that's pretty amazing, but it hasn't even beaten a lot of really big stocks on the US NASDAQ. Like Meta has done, Facebook has done 8x, and Nvidia, the largest stock in the world now, has done something like a 12, 13, 14x, right? So now, what is causing... So therefore, silver being slightly smaller than Bitcoin at $1.8-2 trillion can probably have a massive run. Like it can probably even outperform Bitcoin. If Bitcoin doubles, goes to 200K, right? Silver can easily double to go to $100, triple to go to $150. If Bitcoin can do a 10x from here to go to 1 mil, then silver can easily also do a 10x here to go to $500. In that, we're talking about extreme fiat debasement. So when gold and silver are making runs like this, right, Bitcoin is expected to underperform. So what we don't want to see is gold making another run here, right? Gold did not stop its run, and it's keep on going, and that's why Bitcoin is having this problem, because the gold run doesn't seem to be stopping just yet. What we really need is for gold to pull back and chill for a while. So basically, look, have a look at this. Gold is right now. I think silver. Yes, silver is at it. all-time high, but gold is not there yet. Silver might be preempting this move. Gold could get rejected here, I'm thinking, right? A, B, C, and we go down to test. My target was this area, 3850, right? Because of this rising channel. We didn't hit there, but now we're going to come down again. We'll probably hit it this time at 3900. If that happens, could be a double bottom, because say 3850 was the original target, but this trend line or this channel is rising. See, that's why I drew the channel. You can see why I drew this red channel, and it's rising. So by the time we next come down to hit it in late November, it could be 3900 bottom, right? If gold can swing sideways, where a bull flag like trending down, that would be great for Bitcoin.